Alright YouTube, welcome back. This is Edmund from gfxcomment.com, and today I have I don't want to say special, but today I'm going to be ranking your UIs. So instead of just checking out your, I guess, regular UI right here, where you just post your work, whether it's work in progress or anything, in the ranking section, this is where people post their work to in an attempt to get ranked. So this right here is much more important. I don't really have much else to say besides that. Leave a like, and yeah, let's get right into it. The first person here, or the latest post, is from Sean. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but from Sean here, unranked. Let's check out some work. Here's some more from Sean. Okay, let's check out from here. This is the same set of UI. So we have character creator, close. So from what I can see, since I'm going to be ranking your design, first of all, the text fit properly inside the labels, the buttons, the frames. Here's an outline on the text, and as you can see, this UI has these accents, these shapes, and these irregular shapes. So obviously this designer has some skill, as opposed to just basic shapes and stuff. So we have the health bar here, I guess health bar, mana. This is something else, but the buttons here, you can see these little corner shapes. Right here you have the yellow accents. Right here we have a dialog box, we have inventory. Right here, players. Ooh, let's check out this one, a bit of a darker theme. We have these cool black and red shapes in the back. The actual avatar section has this chain going around, which is pretty cool. The health bar is also a unique shape. It's not just a bar. We have the play button also with the chains here. We have stats. Frame right here, we have this one. I feel like the text is too close to the top. It looks a bit odd. And you can maybe change the color of these buttons too. So the positive response could be green, and the negative be red. I feel like that would be a good change. Character creator. Okay, I think it's time to give you a rank. What should I give you? Let's go roles. Okay, UI, experienced. Alright, so the ranks go from Grandmaster to Professional. Master's on top of Professional actually, but okay, Super, Elite, Adepts. Alright, from Rookie, Novice, Experience. I think I could give you Adept. Here we go. Now you got a nice little rank beside your name there. Okay, next person, we have Bot Do You. Right here, UI designer from Australia. Nice. Tried making a police case file UI, obviously using Roast GFX, Vector Icon Pack. Let's check this one out. Deletes, review, case number. The text, I don't think you should have had the drop shadow. I think it looks a bit odd. Paper theme, level up UI. I like this. This one is pretty cool. Battle Pass UI right here. Shop. This one is nice as well. I like these little buttons. I like these little items right here. Okay, let's give you a rank. Oh, he already got a rank UI novice. I'd say he's pretty close to experience. I think maybe just a bit more work and he could, go up to experience. Alright, so obviously some of these people already have a rank, but I'm just going to check out their work anyways, and if I feel like it should be changed, then I will either promote or demote. So we have inventory, a little trade tab. Inventory again, this one is more of an RPG theme. I like these bars here. I think these should be a bit closer together. The two bars also pretty cool right here. The Arsenal UI redesign. So I think experience is pretty accurate. Although I feel like this style could use some work. I would say this bottom section is really good stuff right here. I like that. I think the text can use some work. So all in all, I think experience is pretty accurate. But if you just improve on the things I pointed out, you could start working your way up to adept. Okay, we have swoop, UI experience. Question: are you sure you want to fly? Maybe wood style. I feel like this needs more variation because everything is the same shade of brown. Even the buy button, I mean, this can at least be green, right? The label as well, everything is just the same color. So this one, not sure what style this is. We have population, speckle offer, special offer. This is like, I don't know what this is, but looks pretty cool. Choose your weapon. I like this. This is probably the best out of all these that you sent here. Rage's UI pack. Ignore text. Don't tell me to go to selling. Rank, please. Interesting. Alright, this guy. Hello world. Is this your only post? Interesting. Okay. Goku Black store. Purchase. Rookie. Grandmaster. Trade request. Rookie. Nice. Okay, Smart Man. This is a Roblox Studio UI. I'm pretty sure. Redeem codes. This is actually a good start. You do have a lot to polish, but if you can, improve upon this, make it cleaner, then I think you could rank up pretty soon. Okay, let's check this out. Miner. Oh, I like this one a lot actually. This one is super clean. This is actually really nice. The color scheme. I'm actually going to promote you to adept right here. There we go. Take that off. Okay, meteor. We have shop. Right here, the text is jagged. I don't think he should be adept, honestly. Unless he has some more artwork. We have Zitty here. Dylan. I think that's going to do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. But yeah, if you guys want more, make sure to leave a like. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video.